My screen is visible, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Now we'll see variable scope. We are keep talking about variable functions, but what do you understand by variable scope? Anybody?
Sir, up to where the variable can be accessed is known as its scope.
Yes, up to where this variable is accessible, right? Anybody
Yes,
else?
sir.
Okay, good. I think this single definition is sufficient to say about variable scope, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what will happen here? Will this print or not print? Let us try.
Print, sir.
Print, sir.
Okay, great. Variable scope.php. I am creating. Guys, I am helping you to understand these things. You see how many files I have created?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So, do you think your numbers of files should be more than me or less than me?
Less
More
than
than you, sir.
More than.
more than you.
More than, sir.
More than definitely, you are learning, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to try, keep trying. And I understand you are learning this. Uh, if someone is learning first time PHP, they may face problem to understand. But I am making myself assured that through the examples I could explain such a way that you understand, right? But you are understanding right now, but definitely put some hours after the class or in the morning to revisit these things, right? Then this will be create a more blueprint in your mind about these things what you learned today. So suppose I am creating a variable $a equal to 10. Then I'm writing a function scope where, and then printing echo $a, sorry, $a, right? So if I call this function scope where variable underscore scope, variable underscore scope. So what happened? Oh my god, what happened? Here is this one, but I'm not able to print this one. What happened? You see?
Yes, sir, but it should print, right, sir, because it is globally declared.
Globally declared. Okay. So why it's not printing?
Sir, we should use a dollar global.
Sorry?
We should use dollar global keyboard.
Yeah, within that function, if you use the global, then that is the global, right? So the scope of this is local. So this is not able to access this one. Now see something here. If you want to use this one, what do you have to use?
Global.
Global.
Global. So if I write here global $a, then see what is happening. It's printing.
Yes.
So within a function, this is not a line. Right? Within, if you see already in anonymous and that arrow function, we are using use. What we are using? Use.
Use.
It was like this, na? Dollar func1 equal to, what are you writing? Function.
Yes, sir.
Then we are writing some variable dollar param. Then what I was writing here? Use
Use.
$A.
$A. Then I was able to use. This is available, but I am telling this anonymous to use this, so that within that I am able to use this one. Clear? So use means I am making it global inside this function. Although this is available, but I have to write use. So the scope is global, but within a function this is not accessible until we make it again global, right? So you see, if two numbers are we adding, making global, then we are adding and then making some b equal b. Clear, guys? Guys, clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So instead of using this global, we can also use this one. That global built-in variables, na?
Yes, sir. Super global variable.
Yeah, super global variables. We can use this one also instead of these. So both are same. So what it means? If you print R dollar globals, what will happen? See, it's holding a value. This,
Yes.
now this A is available globally, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now another example of variable is static variables. Anybody know what is a static variable? Let me give you one example. This is very useful and important concept of about static variables. What is the meaning of this? Suppose I am writing a function. I think I've given function, right? Yeah, function. Function and simple test function is there, right? Then what I'm doing, $A equal to 0, right? Then I'm printing $equal $A, right? And then $A plus plus. We'll see this operator. Plus plus means increasing it by
Increment
One by one.
one.
increasing it by 1.
1.
right? Now if I call this function, two times, very carefully look into this. What is the function name? That static underscore where. Static underscore where. You see what is happening? What is happening? Both are printing 0. Why? Because first time it's 0 na.
Yes, sir.
So once I called a equal to 0, then print 0, you increased by 1, then I'm calling same function, then it's 0.
Yes, sir. Second time it's also initialized by 0.
Yes. Now let me do one change here. Test 2, right? And now instead of this, let me make it a static. Which variable? A. Let it make it static. Sorry. Now see what is going to happen.
The 0 and 1 will be printed.
0 and why? What happened?
Sir, because the scope of static variable is in up to the end of the program.
Yes, static variables hold the value by at the end till end of the program, right? It's not only related to that function only or local scope only. As many as time I'll call, it will look into what is the value it's returning right now. First time it's called, right? It's create a variable a and assign 0 and type static, right? So first time printing 0, then this increased by 1.
Yes.
Now again I'm calling test 2. So it's not that it's already a static created, it will not initialize again. Previously it was increased by 1, so it will print
1.
1. Now if I call third time, what this will print?
2.
You see,
Yes.
it's the magic of a static.
Yes, sir.
It's a very important concepts, very important. As many as times you are creating this calling this function, you have hold that how many times this function is called. If you declare a variable static, you can keep a track now how many times this function is calling. Right?
Yes.
Guys,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, great. So this is the static variable. Clear by these two examples?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Now we'll see one. I think we have also seen this one while JavaScript, but a little we'll also talk here also. Operators. What do you mean by operators?
That are used to perform some operations on the operand.
Exactly, operands. So an operator is something that takes one or more values or expression and yields another value, so that construction itself becomes an expression, right? So what type of operators are? One is unary operator, like you are writing not something that is unary. Means, understood what I'm telling you? Unary
Yes, sir, understood.
dot php. So PHP, if I'm writing here bool_var equal to true, if I'm writing if, or suppose that I'm writing false, if not dollar bool_var echo L. So here you are applying not on this variable, and this is single variable, na? Single operand.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
yeah, and applying not. So this is known as unary operator.
Yeah.
This one. Binary. Binary means two
operands.
operands. You are doing plus. So two numbers required, no? Minimum two numbers to sum. Minus, at least two numbers required. So these operators, plus, minus, multiplication, are all known as binary operator. Here is just plus and minus is mentioned. A single ternary operator which takes three values. Ternary operator means this is and then this is. I'm writing here turn equal to 10. I'm writing turn greater than 8 equal hello equal greater than 8 equal less than 8. Basically, here I'm printing values. Let me print the values. Dollar L1 equal to less than greater than 8. Dollar var 2 equal to less well 1, well 2 should run. Why somehow, oh, what is the file name? Unary. Okay. Unary. So you see here how many number of variables are here? How?
3, sir.
3. So if this is true, this is running, else
Yes, sir.
this is.
Value 2.
So this is known as the ternary operator. Which one? This. This is known as
Ternary operator.
ternary operator. So this is another example. Okay, great. Now you see the arithmetic operators. Clear about these operators? Clear, guys? These are the
Yes,
arithmetic operators. So we have values. We can make it minus or just put plus. It will turn into int or float, which is appropriate. Plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus. Remainder we get from here. Here, $a to the power $b. So should I explain each and every example how this is working? It's clear.
It's clear, sir.
Okay, great. Now you see here post and incrementing, decrementing operators. PHP support pre and post increment and decrement. See pre, right? It increment $a by 1, then returns $a. Here returns first and then increment by 1. You all know this one, pre and post
Yes,
increment.
sir.
Here decrease first and then return a. Here first return a, then decrease by 1. So clear about these all?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So someone is looking or any confusion on this, tell me. So there are lots of examples like here. What this will print? $equal to 5, what this will print?
Six.
6.
Who said 6?
5.
5, sir.
5, sir.
So first it will return a,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
then increment by 1. So what it will print?
5, sir.
5. Now if you print, what it will return?
6.
6.
6. What will happen here?
6.
And here?
6.
6, sir. 6, sir.
Great. What will be here the value?
5.
5
And then
Yes, sir.
4.
and then 4. Here
Yes, sir.
4. 4.
4. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Then there is also assignment operator. Whatever you write now equal to, this is the assignment. Either you can assign this one to this one, or whatever equal right side of equal to you assign to a, to the left of variable, right? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
What is the meaning of this? What you are assigning to b?
Reference of A.
Reference of a. Yes, yes. Now you see bitwise operator. Can anybody tell me what is bitwise operator? Should I little explain this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Where is the pen? So we are here, and first is A and B, bitwise operator. And bitwise means what are the number we'll deal with? Bit numbers,
Binary number.
binary numbers, binary numbers. And what are the numbers in binary?
Zeros and ones.
Zeros and ones. So if I have to perform this,
ఇంకా వేసేటప్పుడు ఫోన్లో అనిపిస్తుంది నీకు ఫోటో ఎట్టడుగా అనుకున్నాను క్లాస్లో ఉంటా కానీ మళ్ళీ ఫోన్ చేస్తానని ఫోన్ చేయలేదు
guys, could you please mute yourself? What is the meaning of AND? If two are false, then what will happen in AND?
False.
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 If one is false, one is true, what is in AND?
False. False, sir.
False.
False.
If one is true, another is false, what will happen in AND?
False.
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 False, sir.
If both are true,
True.
True,
True.
sir. True, sir.
so if I do the AND operator, suppose that this is $A, this is $B, I'm doing AND operation, what will happen? What will the result here? 1 1
One.
1 0 0
Zero.
Zero.
1 1
Zero.
One.
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 One. One.
0 1
Zero.
Zero.
0 1 1.
One. Zero.
One.
One. One.
So this is the output of AND operator.
Yes.
This
Yes.
one,
Yes, yes, sir.
this one.
Sir.
Then there is OR. OR, this one. OR. What happened in OR? If there is 1, or suppose that 1 0 0 1 0 0
Zero.
0
Zero.
0 1.
One. One. One.
If any one of these 1 will get 1.
Output will be one. Yes, sir.
1 0
One.
1 1 1.
One. One.
So I have $A equal to 1 0 0 1 1 0. $B equal to 0 1 0 1 1 0. Right? Now I am doing some OR operation, A and B. What will happen here?
Zero.
Zero.
0
One.
One.
One. One. Zero. Zero.
0
One.
1.
One.
So this is the output.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then there is exclusive OR. Bits that are set in $A and $B, but not both are set. Means here 0 1 0 1. If I do XOR exclusive OR, means if both are 0 0 then 0, and
Yes,
if both
sir.
are 1 1
1, then also 0.
that is also 0,
Yes, sir.
and only 0 1 is 1 and 1 0 is sorry
1.
sorry, this is 0 and this is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you have $a equal to 1010001 and $b equal to 00111, I am doing XOR. What will happen? 1 1
0.
0 1 0
1.
0.
1.
1
1.
1.
1
0.
0
0.
0
1.
1. Wow, smart. Good. So this is bitwise operator XOR. This is not. Bits are set in dollar are not set, and vice versa. It's very simple. If my bit is suppose 1 0 1 0, and if I'm applying not, what will happen?
We'll change the 1 to 0 and 0 to 1.
Yes, clear? Only one operand is there, na?
Yes, sir.
That is unary, sorry. What about this shift, left shift?
Yes, sir.
You know this, anybody can tell me? Left shift. So I have left shift sign is this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So suppose shift the bits $a, $b steps to the left. So if I'm writing 1 1 0 0 1 and 1 here also, I'm telling to shift to left by 2, right? The meaning
Yes.
of this is these 2 will be disappeared. This will come here, and this will come here. Got?
No,
Yes.
sir. One more time, so please.
Here 1 1 0 0 1, right? Left shift means this 2 will be disappeared and 3 will be come here, right? And in place of this 2, 0 0 will be added. Got? Left
Yes,
shift,
sir.
left shift, right? Here was 1 1 0 0 1, right? Once I left shift 2, I moved to next 2 steps, right? So what happened? It will come like this, right? Moving left.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So once you move na, this will go on, and in the place of this 2 0 will be added. So got this 2 left shift. What is the meaning of this?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Interesting.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now see right shift. Similar. Right shift. Similar. I have right shift sign is this. I have 1 0 1 0 1 and I'm doing a right shift by 2 bits, right? So what will happen here? This 2 will be right shift.
Yes, sir.
Means I am removing, right? So what will happen? In place of this 2, this 0 will come, 1 and 0 and 1.
Yes, sir.
This will come here
And 0 0.
and then 0 0.
0 0.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you never forget this left right shift and right shift.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Interesting shifting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
Great. So this actually I'm not sure where this is going to be used in your programming, but you should know what is left shift and right shift. Comparison operators you already know. Double equal to you already know. Double equal to we check the comparison by values, right?
Yes, sir.
Which triple equal to check the values as well as
Their type.
their type of that there should be same type. Not equal to, you know what is the meaning of not equal to? Both are not equal. This is also another way of writing not equal to. Both are same. Less than not equal to A is not equal to B, or they are not same type. Both are here. Less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, then there is a space sheep. This space sheep very less in use. And int less than equal to or greater than equal to 0 when A is less than equal to or greater than equal to B respectively, right? So these are very, I think you all are using this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now there is one error control operator. When you apply this error control operator while writing your code, and if some error is throwing, it will not show the error. So it's like you are managing the errors. Because when your website is live, it's not wise to show some errors in your website, right? I will also tell you, like right now, while you are running the programs, and if any variable is not defined, you are getting some errors, right? Variable do not defined or something like that.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
while development, it's okay. Error reporting should be on by default. But once the website is live, do you think those errors should come there on the website?
No, sir.
No. So I will tell you probably in next sessions how to handle those error reporting. Right now by default you are in development mode, so you can see those errors, but I will also tell you how to disable those errors. Now in this error control operator, so basically not HP, it's a PHP. I am mistakenly missed that one. So PHP, it supports one more error controller, that is @sign. When prepend to the expression in PHP, any diagnostic error that might be generated by that expression will be suppressed. Suppose you are trying to access a file which is not existing, and you want to give your own custom message. So you can do this. @file non-exist or die failed opening file error or reporting something like that. So this is suppressing if any non-existing files you're trying to access. Suppose I'm writing here error control operator.php, right? I am writing here PHP code dollar, what was the syntax, my file equal to file, and I'm trying to access some file. Suppose that explode.php, right? What has happened? You see, we're getting some warning, some error.
Yes, sir.
Because explodes. This file doesn't exist, no? That's why. Now, I've actually, this file is there, but I have added, what I did? Yes. That's why giving error. Now suppose that if you put here ampersand, this at the rate. Now see. Are you able to see the error?
No, sir.
So you are suppressing the error. So you understood why we use this one?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll also see some execution operators. PHP supports one execution operator, that is backtick. So if any one of you have worked with Ubuntu or Linux operating system, you have seen ls. Have someone seen ls?
Yes, left command. Yes, sir.
This ls command you type, you see the list of the files.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
great. Execution operators. Sorry. So if I write here PHP and then $output equal to, I'm writing here backtick. Where is the backtick in your in your key?
Sir, before one.
Down by escape button.
Yes, below the escape button. ls hyphen whatever the al, it's like this is one of the command, right? In the Linux or even if you try, now I have written. Then what is the next? It's output. What the output is there? It trying to write echo. So it's little formatted way trying to write here. Pre then I'm typing a dollar output, right? So we are in double quotes, so this will parse now. variable will parse. Who knows difference between double quotes and single quotes? What will happen here? What will happen here, guys? Fast.
Sir, it will write pre also in the output.
Yeah, pre is HTML, that's why tag is ignoring. So it's coming like this, right? So browser is removing that one, right? But output we are getting. So single quote do not parse the variables, right? We have already learned this one, single quote, double quote, here doc, no doc.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see the output of this one. You see? Interesting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's look like in that Ubuntu Unix operating system listing of files.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to execute some shell commands or Unix like commands, you can do like this. Its permission is giving. This is I think some process ID or something like that. This is the owner, which group and user both. This is the group and this is the user. Different ID, date, time, and the file names are coming here, right? So through the backtick you can execute some commands. This is known as the execution command, and same can be done with the equivalent to this one, shell exec. You can also write instead of backtick. What you can write? Shell exec, and this is single quotes. You can do the same thing. Dollar output 2 equal to shell exec, and the same thing you can write in single quote. Right, and then the same pre-output 2. Same thing happening. Correct, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So
Yes,
either use the backtick or either you can use shell exec. These are some logical operators. This is only, it's a true false. It's not about we are doing some bitwise operators. So logical operator means A and B both are true, then you will get true, right?
Yes, sir.
If A or B, if any one of the true, you will be true. A XOR B, if any one of the false, either both should not be true or both should not be false.
False.
Yes.
Not A, if it is false, it will make true. If it true, it will make false.
False.
A and B. This condition is only true if both are true. This is same. This one is same. Or this is also same, right?
Yes. Yes.
There are some string operators also. So what are those string operators? Dot. The first concatenation operator dot, which it returns concatenating this the right and left arguments. Second concatenation operator is the dot equal to, which appends the argument on the right side of the argument to the left. So we are already using, so I'm telling you. So guys, till now, how it is going? Have you learned something interesting today?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great, great. Be prepared for tomorrow. You are going to learn something, your life will change. So, if you write something like this, dollar first part I'm writing, or some message I'm writing, message equal to hello dot, I'm writing here greet equal to, suppose hello I'm writing, right? Then if I write this variable, then I can write world. So what will happen here?
Hello world will print, sir.
So this dot operator is appending left to the right text, right? This dot is helping, na?
Yes, sir.
Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now there is another way. Dollar message dot equal to world. What will happen here now? Tell me, what is the value of message?
It will concatenate hello world with enjoy.
Yes. So one operator is just dot, another is dot equal to. Dot is appending left and right? Left text and right text.
Right, sir.
But this dot equal to what is doing? Whatever the value have dot, this message, it's appending to that one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So tell
Sir.
me if anybody had confusion on this. So everyone is clear about this now?
Sir, so can we have a integer value in dollar greet and then we can concatenate both of them in message?
In greet we have?
Some integer value.
Yes, why not? Let us see. See?
Okay, sir.
But something will happen here. Why? So we'll use dot.
And sir, after that, what will be the data type of greet after concatenating with world?
Definitely it's appending with this one. This is also a string. So finally what you are getting?
I think it will be a string.
Definitely. See what this is you are getting now. Check it. Where dump message. Right?
Right, sir.
Yes.
So this is string operator. Now there are some array operators also. So what will happen if I add two arrays with plus operator? What will happen? I have one array 1 equal to then I'm getting dollar C third array equal to dollar A plus dollar array 1 plus dollar array 2 print R dollar C, right? You see what happened? Two, three, four, five. Two, three, four, five. So you know what is the meaning of union?
Yes, sir.
What happens in the union?
Apart from the common values, the uncommon values are also added in a single data.
So here A plus B are doing union, and one array was having 2, 3, 4, 5. Another has 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So till this is matching here, only considering here.
Yes, sir.
Right? Beyond that, it's not considering. So this is how array operators work in PHP. Similarly, you can check if two arrays are equal or not equal. So if dollar array 1 equal to double equal to dollar array 2 echo both array are same. What do you think? What this will print? Nothing? Because else part I am not covered, na? Echo array are not same. Array are not same because both are different array, na? But if I make it something like this, 3, 4, 5, both array are same.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you can compare the arrays. It's a triple. True if A and B have the same key value pairs in the same order of the same types. Types should also same, right? So suppose I am using here let us see what's happening. Both array are same because internally is parsing making it to same, right? For us it's looking double quotes, but internally this is at index, na? Clear, guys? Both are same or not same?
Same, sir. Both are same.
Same, same.
Yeah,
Same.
if key value and data type are same, then they are. If I make it this like this, what will happen? Both same or not same? Both are same here also. So this is triple equal to, not equal to, not equal to, true if and B are not identical to B, right? So clear about this now. You can compare two array by these operators. Both are same. These two are same. Here type should be same. Here type or value not identical. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So the next topic which we are going to cover is controller structures. Till now we have learned about basics of PHP, variables, data types, different types of data types, array, strings, operators, different types of operations by different operators. Now we'll learn some controller structure, how to control the flow of your program. So can anybody tell me what is the meaning of this controller structure? With some example. Anybody? What is the meaning of controller structure?
Decisions based on conditions.
Yes, based on the conditions. There should be some conditions, or you can loop through with some conditions. So
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so till now whatever we are learning are ABCD. Now we are going to use those concepts, how to control the flow statements, execution of a statement with some conditions. So this is controller structure. Now see, the first controller structure we learn we learn is if. You already know what is the meaning of if. Meaning of if is, if condition is true, then this statement will execute, right?
Yes, sir.
So here this condition is controlling the execution of this script.
Yes.
The execution of this statement is controlled by whom? This if
Statement.
this if statement.
If
If this if statement is getting true, then this will executed. I either no. Clear, guys?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Another is else. If some condition is not true, there is another control structure else. If not true, if is not true, where that will go? Else. Else. Like this is, if this is true, then this code, this section of the code will be executed. This if block. If this is false, where this will go? Else.
Else.
Similarly, if I have more than one condition to check, I am checking two numbers. If A is greater than B, then A is bigger. If else A equal to B, then both are equal. Else A is smaller than B. So you see how I am using if, else, if and else.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let us if control struct dot php. I'm writing here पेमेंट कर दिया है. So here I'm taking a equal to 10, $b equal to 20. So I can write if $a greater than $b. So I hope algorithm is going to help you to make the decision here. Echo, what it means? Echo
A is greater than B.
A is greater than B. Else B is
Greater than A.
greater than B. Sorry. But here chances is that both are equal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So I have to also cover that condition, na?
Yes.
For that,
Yes, sir.
I have to write else if, then bracket, then start, double here, $a equal to $b.
B.
Echo A and B are
Equal.
equal, right? So you see, based on my need, I have used all if, else, if and else. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is the if controller structure. So if you want to see the output, B is greater than A, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A and B are equal. A is greater than B, so my program is working fine.
Yes, sir.
So this is the use of if, else if control structure. Now, till now we are writing that curly braces na. So we can have alternative text for this also. What can be? Instead of this, I can write colon, right? Alternative tag, you see colon.
Yes, sir.
Basically, this is Python style.
Yes, sir.
Here, and for this, what we should write? And if.
If.
For this one. So it's your choice. Generally we all follow this one, but sometimes you can also follow this one, because people like me write in code in Python as well. So I prefer this one, so that I will not confusion that where I sometimes put this only, because Python do not support these curly braces in their controller structure. They support this colon only, right? So
Yes. Yes.
so if you know Python as well as PHP, so you can follow this structure also. Alternative structure of writing this one. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Great. Now we'll see some how we need to do something repeated task. Like you have to keep printing something. What will you use? Some loops.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think in JavaScript you also seen that for loop, while loop, do while loop, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Similarly, similar thing is also here. While, do while, for loop. So, while execute the nested statements repeatedly as long as the while expression evaluates to true. Till this is true, my loop will keep running. What it means? I'm typing here $counter equal to 10 and writing while $counter less than or you can just take something while counter greater than 0, right? I am printing echo $counter, right? And also I'm keep decreasing this counter. Okay, guys, what will happen here? What will happen here? No idea. No.
The number from 10 to 1.
Sorry.
Sir, 10 to 1 reverse order. 10, 9,
10, 9, 8,
10
7.
what is
7, 6.
10,
Reverse order.
9, 6. And I'm also keep decreasing this value.
Yes, sir.
Till 1 it
Yes.
will print, right?
Sir.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, clear about this while till this condition is true. And suppose if I remove this one, what will happen? I comment this one. What will happen? Anybody?
It will be only 10.
Sorry?
Only 10.
Only 10 will be printed.
Only 10?
10 will be printed, sir.
Only 10 will print.
Sir, no, sir. Print 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, like.
Any limit?
No limit.
No
There is
limit. Because counter will be always greater than 0. Which is 10.
10.
And it's not going to happen 9 because I'm decreasing by one number.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So use while writing your code, make sure your loop should terminate somewhere. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are clear about
Yes,
this,
sir.
what is while.
Yes, sir.
Now see what is do while. It's totally equal to the JavaScript you learn, na? It's totally equal to. So suppose that I'm again taking the counter equal to 10. So in do while what we write first? Do. Right? Suppose that I'm writing print or echo $counter, right? And while $counter less than 0. Now tell me what will happen here.
Loop is
Sir, it
acceptable
will
only,
print
sir.
only one
Then
time.
in printer 10.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because
Yes, sir.
because do first at least one time execute without checking the
Yes.
condition.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exit control.
Sir,
Okay.
it is given while counter is less than 0.
Sorry.
It is given $counter is less than 0.
I have given intentionally. It should not run if the condition was while. If the condition was while and if I am writing counter is less than 0, what will happen here?
Will not run.
Not a single time run here.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, same thing I am doing here. Same thing, but here at least one time this will run.
Yes.
So this is the bigger difference between while and
Do
Do
while.
while.
Do while.
yes. to while. So if you want to run this one, then counter should be echo, then dollar counter minus minus. Same thing is there, same thing working, but I have not changed the condition, also decreasing. What will happen if I comment this one?
We'll execute only one time.
Only one time?
No, sir. It will
It becomes 0.
Sorry?
continuously 10, sir.
Continuously infinite
Continuously.
number of times.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, great. Now we have another control loop, which is for and for each. So for is totally equals similar to what? You learned this one in JavaScript. For .php. You should know all these tools. For dollar counter equal to 0, dollar counter less than 10, dollar counter plus plus, echo dollar counter. What will happen here? What will be happen here?
0 to 9 it will print.
0 to 9.
0 to 9. Now what will happen here?
Zero.
Sorry?
0, sir.
Same, right? Now what will happen here?
Same, sir.
Same, exactly. Now what will happen here?
Same, sir.
Same.
Same, sir.
Interesting.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Right? So it's upon you to put the condition else here in the 3, or due to your requirement you can move above, right, for condition. Like here you are checking condition, I put it condition inside. You are increasing here, I will increase it condition, this one here, and only put it this for structure here is only there. Initialization was here, I put it initialization here. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
great. Now we have another for each. So for each generally used for iterating some collections of data. Like you have one loop, you want to take one data at a time. Such value for such data type you can use for each. Let me give you some. For each .php, right? this is very, very useful. I have one array equal to 3, 4, 5, 8, right? I am writing for each. Then expression is, what is the expression? Iterable expression. What is the iterable? I can iterate this one one by one, because this containing more values.
Yes, sir.
As dollar value, right? Now if you print dollar value, the number of elements is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will run 6 times. 6 times this loop will run. It will extract one value at a time in this, and each value will come into the value, and I can print. Clear, guys? See, EACH, foreach. Are you able to see 3, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8? 3, 4,
Yes,
5.
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Even you can, if you put some key here, key 1, you are getting same, because what iterating, you're taking value 3, 4, 5, or you can take here name, some name here, J. You see? Clear?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes.
You understood what is happening here?
Yes, sir.
There is a iterable expression. Which is the iterable expression? This one. In PHP, this is known as the expression. This array is holding this value of array, and I can iterate. Iterate means I can go each element one by one.
One.
Yes. Then for each helping me to go one by one, I've written the array name as value. This value can be anything. It's not only that. You can write, just you can type here anything. Even then, now you can take. So this name can be anything, and this will print. Okay, guys. Value will come here. Now you can also get the key and value both. How? If you write here dollar key and value, so echo dollar key dot dot you see 03 1425 key 1J 3748. Guys,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so here two things. You see the difference?
Yes, sir.
If you are looking only value, you can use this one. If you're looking on both key and value, so array as this name can be anything, this name can be anything, but the structure you have to give here. So this will hold key, this will hold value for each item, for each iteration. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this very, very important. This for is going to use everywhere. There is also one little like something, and suppose that this value I'm making number again, right? And if I'm typing dollar value equal to and dollar value into 2, and here I am extracting address. What will happen, guys? What will happen here? Tell me first. Who is the smart? I know you all are smart guys, but first respond me. What is going to happen?
Sir, every value in that dollar array will be multiplied with 2 and then printed.
Why that happened?
So because we put ampersand in with a dollar value so that it will change in the address of that dollar array.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. So here I am taking one value from this array, and here I am taking the address of 3. Now
Dollar array.
at value at this address I'm changing by 2. So whatever you do the operation at the address, it's permanently will change here, right? So echo some formatted way. If you need to print the array, we need to write this one. See what happened. Clear, guys?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
this is how each element you can modify by using just this ampersand. Now for each, you know the break. There was for each, and I'm printing each value, right? Suppose I'm printing each value and I'm doing if dollar if dollar value equal to 6, I'm writing break. What will happen? First, guys, if value is coming is 5, this 5, what will happen?
Only 3 values will print.
Sorry?
Only 3 values print, sir.
Yes.
Print. I'm not
Sir,
printing.
after 5 it will come out of the loop and just print 3 and 4.
But my array is here na. I'm not printing anything.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what will the exact output? Can anybody tell me? So guys, remember, if you are writing if, I'm not putting any curly braces. After if, it will only one line of a statement will execute. If I'm not putting any curly braces, Then how many lines of code executed after if?
Only one line.
If block will have only one line, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is your choice to put, if there is only one line under if, no need to put the curly braces. If there are more than one line, you need to write when under if you should put the curly braces, right?
Yes, sir.
So now give me fast what will be the output of this for loop, for each. Fast. Who is the genius? Who is the smart?
Sir, maybe it will print 6, 8 and then 5, 6, 7, 8.
Exactly. Because till 3 and 4 it will multiply by 2, right? Double. But when it come to 5, this loop is broken. So no operation in 5, 6, 7, 8. They will be as it is. See. Guys, you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
I think it was not so hard. You could all respond. Okay, no worries. I think you got, right? Now, suppose that I am doing here continue. What will happen?
So 6, 8, then 5, then 6, 7, 8.
But this already did something.
Okay, yes, sir. Sorry, I forgot it. Changed the root value. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, tell, fast.
So 12, then 16.
12, then 16, then
5, and then again it will multiply with
yes, it will ignore which?
5.
So 5 will be ignored, and then when 6, 7, 8 it will operate to make it double.
Yes, sir.
Can anybody tell me who do not understand this one? Who didn't understand? Anybody? I'll be happy to help them. Guys, you all got this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you got it. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finally, you are already engineers, then why you should not got? You are not like a first year engineering college. So, you see this is doubled and 5 is ignored. Now they are doubling this one. Which one? 6, 7, 8. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you understood about this for each.
Yes, sir. We understood.
Yes, sir.
For each, break, continue, right?
Yes, sir.
So, continue also got. Okay, I think today we'll have to break here, right? So guys, I think we are done for today. I know this is a long day. So please practice. I know definitely this is a long day. Take some break for you, 1 hour. And whatever you study today, I've already given you the master key of this all PHP is which website? Which website is the master key?
PHP.net.
PHP.net. That is the master key. I am using lots of examples from there only. I am writing different examples for you to demonstrate. But most of the examples are from there. And there are many more examples are there. So go see practice, practice, practice. Now it's time to practice. Okay, guys?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, can you please explain what we have to do in today's assignment?